Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about encapsulation. So what's mean encapsulation concept? So let's dive in. I will create another thing is ID. So I will ID. Okay, ID parameter is equal the default value is 1 2 3 4 0 0 A B C. This is default value of ID, and then I will put ID there. Okay, self dot ID is equal ID, but I want to put ID as a private, so put 2 underscore before name, so then this will be private. So now I will print ID employee1 dot ID. Delete this code and run this code. Okay, cannot print. Why? Because it's a private. So how to print it? We will use getter and setter. Okay, definition. We will use function get ID and put self, return self dot ID, and set ID. Use set ID self. Okay, put get set ID self and new ID. Okay, self ID is equal new ID, not return. Okay, this is to change ID and this is to get ID. So now I can access the ID. So employee1 dot get ID print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I will put to number 2 ID is equal 998855 and print to the third employee. Okay, put this ID. So now I will change the ID of employee 2 of employee 3. I said employee 3 dot set ID and put the new value. The new value is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and I will print it again, get ID again, and print then the old value and the new value, and then I will say goodbye.